Hey Willie, how's it going?
Yeah, not too bad. You?
I'm doing great. What's on your mind today?
Well, storms.
Storms? You're always thinking about storms.
Yeah, I am.
Well, what kind of storms are you thinking about?
Like the kind that knock down trees in my yard and mess up my swing set.
Ooh, like bad storms, like
Yeah.
severe storms.
Yeah.
You know, there's a lot more to severe weather than tornadoes. We've talked a lot about tornadoes, but we can have damaging winds, and that can cause a lot of problems.
Yeah. So then I had damaging winds at my house?
You could, and what do you do when there's those high winds at your house?
Well, I'm told to go to the hallway, but I want to look out the window.
Well, that's not such a good idea. You need to
Why?
go to the hallway. I bet your mom wants you to go to the hallway and stay away from the window.
Why?
Why? Well, because you can have things flying around, like pieces from a tree. You could have the wind picking up objects in the yard. It could break the glass and you could get hurt. So we want you away from the window in your safe place when there's high winds.
All right, you got it.
Hey, I tell you what, you're learning a lot about severe weather and why we First Alert. Give me a high five, Willie.
Yay!